Okay, guys, so here's H4. Here's some more properties of integrals. This should go fast. So integrating over an interval of 0 length. So if you are integrating from an interval 4 to 4, guys, that is a 0 length interval, okay? The both endpoints are the same, so you would just end up with like nothing, like a 0 dimension thing. Like maybe it would, I don't know. So anyway, if the base is 0, the whole thing is 0. Okay, so always. So an integral where, you know, the top and bottom of the squiggly are the same is going to be 0. The area under a constant function. Okay, if you have something like this, so a constant function, guys, is a horizontal line, okay? So that's a horizontal line at 2. So just like this. So this is f of x equals 2, or you could say like y equals 2, okay? And so let's say that this is -3, and let's say that 8 is here. When you are integrating a constant function, you literally have a rectangle, okay? Always. A constant function integrating, finding the area under it is always a rectangle situation. So I just need the area of that rectangle. So the base, oh, and by the way, you gotta, make sure that the base is positive, because if this was 8 to -3, the base would be negative. So the base is this length, positive, okay? So it's, 3 plus 8, which is 11, or you could just do 8 minus -3. Yeah, so anyway, you end up with a positive base, 8 of 11, and then the height is 2. That height right there is 2. So 11 times 2, 22. All right, so it's always going to be the length of the interval. Just be careful whether it's a positive or negative base. And then the height of the function, which is just the function value itself. Okay, so if you notice shortcuts, use them. Now I'm going to do this, this problem. So given the integral from -6 to 1 of g of x, oopsie, I need a dx there, shoot. Okay, equals -5, evaluate this integral. Okay, so we're going to do two things. We're going to split this up. So this is going to be the integral from -6 to 1, g of x dx, minus the integral from -6 to 1 of 7 dx. All right, this one here, they already told me was -5, and it's going in the right direction. Forwards interval, that's -5. All right, so that whole thing is -5. Right there. And then I'm going to be subtracting whatever I get when I figure this out, okay? So I'll just do like maybe a little aside. And I'm doing -6 to 1. And this is literally going to be a horizontal line. Okay, y, so I'm literally going to get a rectangle, so that's y equals 7. And the base, we're going in the right direction, so positive base, the distance between these is 7. Or you could do 1 minus -6 if you want, that'll give you 7. Yeah, and then this height is also 7, so this whole area there is 49. And that there is 49. -5 minus 49, -54. Okay.